Hey, we're going to be repairing the 1978 Marshall JMP Club and Country. We got new speakers. I blew the old ones. Let's get into it. My buddy Josh is going to help me. We're going to be replacing these speakers. By we, I mean he. I'm going to film him. We got some Celestian speakers here. 100 years, this company. Look at the box here. I know you guys like to look at the box. Check that out.
Absolute garbage. Red back speakers.
All right. So, what would you say about these solder joints here?
They're terrible.
Terrible. These red back speakers. Corey? Garbage. So we're gonna swap out the garbage for these beautiful new golden Celestians. Creamback. Wow, look at that creamback on there. Wow.
Try to take these out safely. Make sure you breathe this in. It's got lead in it.
Our lead brain barriers have developed. We're good.
Cone. Yeah, I mean, push a little bit. If it does it feel crunchy at all on yours?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's because that center dust cover broke, and it got a bunch of shit in there, so the voice coil's packed full of dust, dirt, and
Yeah, it feels like scratchy.
Yeah, you can.
But I thought one of the actual. I thought we looked at it and like saw one of the.
Yeah, so push on it, you can hear it. It's this one's not like that.
Wait, let's hear this one.
Totally fine.
I wonder if anybody's ever put a set of creambacks into a club and country. You know what I mean? Like, isn't it interesting to think that this might be the only club and country with some creambacks in it?
Whoa. Is this the only club and country
Anybody
with
else got
creambacks?
anybody else got a club and country with creambacks in it? If so, how does it sound?
Yeah, let us know in the comments. A 4140 creamback special.
I'm gonna piss people off on the internet with this one. Probably don't film this part because someone's gonna.
Look at those transformers in there, dude.
Yeah, they're fat.
Massive.
It's got fresh caps too.
A 2 preamp section for both channels is how it's looking from the tube layout. If you go way under there, you can see there's 3 12AX7s on the right and 2 on the left. Yeah, somebody tell me what that's about. I really want to know why are there so many preamp tubes in this amp? Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Maybe it's got a tube reverb in it too.
Probably preface the video with we are not licensed technicians. Don't try this at home, you might blow up.
All right, let's do an update, fellas. We got the creambacks in, and we're trying to find out if, Corey, we are the first people ever in the history of mankind to put creambacks in a 4140.
Club and country. We might be.
We're asking. We're literally just asking. So please let us know if you have the same thing.
Or does your friend have an amp like this with creambacks in it?
Let us know. We're
If
just
not,
about...
what did you put in it?
Yeah, if not, what did...
You
Yeah.
probably had to.
Yeah. So let's continue. We're going to be soldering the speaker wire onto the speaker. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Attempting.
Don't try this at home. We are, but you shouldn't. All right, we're going to close it up. So, these are better than those. Is that right?
Yes, by a club and country mile.
By a club and country mile, these are better.
Dude, those speakers look great, man, dude. It's alive!
This is in the high input channel. Volume here. Let's do the master volume up. So we can turn this down a little cleaner. This will get more distorted.
First impressions.
Sounds good. Good response. We'll do another video. We'll mic this thing up. Corey, hook me up with some good mics and we'll do a good video. All right. Well, I'd like to thank Josh and Corey and Celestian and Marshall. While we're at it. All right. We'll see you next time.
So how are you running it right now? You just can you run it into the other channel here? Is that what this is? This other input?
About the same volume. Let's see. That's low. This is a little louder than this one.
Yeah, this channel is like the higher gain channel or the hotter channel for sure. Look at the patina on this fucking country. Look at it. It says Marshall. This is a Marshall, not a Marshall. It's a Marshall. I think these Marshalls are sicker than some of the Marshalls that I've seen out there.
I have a fresh Marshall logo around here somewhere.
No, leave it Marshall, dude.
You don't need it. This one's from Jersey.
Leave it for Marshall.
Marshall.
All right, let's turn up the gain a little more.
Yeah, run it hotter. How hot does it get? Marshall.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. You got a bright switch, boost switch. Were you running the boost when you had the gain way up like that?
I don't think so. This is the most gain.
This is about as heavy as she gets.